Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your work. Duplicate the background layer and work on the copy so you can always revert. Next, grab the Quick Selection or Object Selection tool because these use contrast and edges to speed selection. Click Select Subject when available. It gives a fast base selection. Once done, refine the brush size to capture small details near edges. You're balancing speed versus precision, and this initial selection sets the foundation for clean removal. Now you refine the selection in Select and Mask. Pick a view mode like on black or on white to judge edges. Use the Refine Edge brush over hair, fur, or soft transitions because it samples nearby pixels and creates smoother borders. Adjust smooth, feather, and contrast sliders to remove jagged pixels or haloing. Make small moves, then preview. Finally, output your result to a layer mask so you can fine-tune or repaint edges without losing pixels. To finish, zoom to 100% and clean the mask. Paint with a soft white brush to reveal or black to hide stray pixels because small fixes are the difference between amateur and professional results. Add a new background layer under the subject and adjust levels or color balance to match light and atmosphere. If you see a color fringe or halo, slightly contract the mask or use Select and Mask's decontaminate colors on a copy. This resolves edges without redoing the entire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.